Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to set GPS coordinates on the Eurowag Navi application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. Click the profile icon at the upper right corner of the screen and click the settings button under the vehicle. Here you can find the fourth button, the maps view and units. And you click to go to the second section, the units, and here you can find the last option, the GPS coordinates. And here you can find three options, the degrees, minutes and seconds. And just select one, for example the minutes, and click that and done. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.